what you call as the sequence of how life happens in the universe. So the starting point is around 334, in between 330 and 4. That is when the intention of this universe to create life starts. Every day, everywhere, 3:30, between 3:30 and 4 a.m. in the morning. The whole universe, the intention of this whole universe to create life starts. The trigger starts at that point. So actually that point, that time is called as Brahma Muhurta. When the whole universe wants to create life, that time is called as Brahma Muhurtam. Now, when you are trying to be in tune with the universe, it happens naturally. At that point of time, your body will wake you up. You might fall asleep later on, that is okay, but that trigger point is something which everybody gets a trigger of. If you are sensitive towards it, अगर sensitive हैं तो वो trigger आपको मिलेगा. The what you call as the universal geometry of Earth and solar system doesn't work like that, the way we think. Everywhere, even if you are in America, even if USA or Europe or Africa or Australia, whatever place you are, the Brahma Muhurtam, the trigger point of life, starts at in between 3:30 and 4. So 3:30 and 4 is the time period where the trigger of life starts. And then the Prana Tattva of the earth, of your zone actually, wherever you live, it condensifies, it becomes dense. After Brahma Muhurtam, the Prana Tattva becomes dense and it is available. It is available for every one of us. So only when the Prana Tattva is available, especially in Yoga Kalachar, the people who want to go towards spirituality, they are advised to evolve themselves. Because Prana Tattva will hold them. Otherwise, what will happen? They might lose their body soon. They'll not be able to hold their body. So only when the Prana Tattva is high, spiritual practices are advised. Or you shift to a place where the Prana Tattva is very high. So what are those places where Prana Tattva are very high? If you are surrounded by earth, the place where you are surrounded by earth is the place where Prana Tattva is high. So what are those places? Mountains. Earth is high. Isn't it? What is mountain? Earth which has shot up. So in mountains, the Prana Tattva is high. So Prana Tattva is Prithvi. Prana Tattva means Prithvi. So only after Prithvi there is a possibility of life. Only because there is a womb, there is a possibility of life. So that is Prana Tattva. Prana Tattva is tamasic in nature. Oh, now you'll start. Prana Tattva is tamasic in nature. Tamas creates life. Without tamas, there cannot be a life. So it is tamas which creates life. So Prithvi is tamas. So tamas creates life. Now prana tattva. After prana tattva, udana. Udana tattva becomes high. There is a holding and there is an evolution or expansion. So udana is expansion. So early morning hours, when the sun rises up, when the sun is rising, that is the time of udana. That is the time of udana. Then comes apana, where you have held life now, you have created life now. जीवन का सृजन हो चुका है. Now it is time to work, do your activities, live a life. So the daytime is when you live a life, your life. The daytime is when you live your life. Then comes evening, where Vyana Tattva is high. The relaxation part. You know, all the males, when they come from after working, they need some tequila shot. Evening is the time of celebration and relaxation. If you go to a tribal region, they all come together and dance in the evening. है ना, आग जलाते हैं, नाचते हैं सब. So that is a relaxation time. Evening time is the time of relaxation. Vyana Tattva. Right? So evening is the time of relaxation, Vyana Tattva. Now they all come together and readjust themselves during night, where the Samana acts. Samana acts throughout day also and during night also. During the night, night is basically death. So everything comes together again and again. There is an intention to come alive in the Brahma Muhurtam. Right? So this is how we should live our day. You want to relax. It's the night time is coming. Don't worry. You will be dead. Before that, you should live. Isn't it? So थोड़ा बाहर निकलें, थोड़ा काम करें, दिन में ना सोएं. Don't sleep during the day. Try to do anything. Try to do some creative thing. ये सब करेंगे तो your body will be in tune with existence and you'll see you'll not get into disease and difficulties very often.